Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So, guys, after a long time, we are here for doing a group discussion. So, our topic name is a best friend. So, first of all, you people will introduce yourself. After that, you will start this topic. So, over to this girl.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Kazol. I'm studying in 12th class. Today, I'm here to discuss our topic. Our topic name is a best friend.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Ronak. I studying in BA third year.
I am studying in.
I am studying in BA third year. Today, I am share a topic name is a best friend.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vishesh. Today we are here to discuss about a topic, and our topic name is a friend.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all of you. Hello, guys. My name is Satyam. I put up at Naglan in Fatehgarh. Today here I am discussing about a topic. That topic name is a friend.
Okay. So, guys, as we all know that a friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay. ज़रूरत के समय में एक दोस्त ही दोस्त के काम आता है और टॉपिक भी हमारा बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है और बहुत ही अच्छा है. मतलब इट इज़ अ प्रीसियस topic and it is a god is a friend is a gift of god. Okay, having a friend, having a true friend is like having a gold in our life. So without wasting much time, first of all you will start speaking little bit about this topic. So who is going to speak first about this topic? कौन बोलने जा रहा है? Okay, please start. Please speak 2-3 lines only.
Okay, sir. The life of a human being is full of ups and downs.
Okay.
In both situations, a person needs a man who support him with no expectation.
Okay.
He needs a person to share his joys and sorrows, and that person is called a true friend.
A best friend is one of the most precious gift of God in this world, and we have many friends, but a true friend is only one in our life.
As we know that friends in need is a friends indeed. So friendship is the most precious gift of our life.
Friends is very important in our life because without friend we are nothing, and we do half work with our friends.
Friendship can be between two people of any ages, any caste, any gender, and any background.
A true friend is always tells us what is the difference between right and wrong.
I have many friends, but Savita is my best friend.
And friends help us to handle stress and make us to choose our lifestyles for that better for us.
Certain feelings and emotions which we can't share with our families, we can share with our friends.
Of course. We can share our secrets to our friends. Most of the time we have so many secrets, we cannot share these secrets to our family members. They can scold us. We have a fear that we can scold us, they can beat us, but we can share this type of secret with our friends and they always help us. Very good points. Yes.
A true friend is always wants good about his friend, and a true friend is always helps us.
We choose our friend very careful because a good friend lead us a good path.
Good part.
Our best friend is always trying to make our best, and we celebrate friendship day every year, and
Yes, we celebrate friendship.
and in 2021 we will celebrate this day on 1 August.
On 1st August.
Yes.
Very good. Will you celebrate this
Yes, sir. I will
friendship
celebrate.
day?
Yes, sir. I will celebrate.
Sir, I just want to give an example of Lord Krishna and Sudama's friendship.
Okay.
Lord Krishna was in unconditional, true, lovable friendship with poor Sudama.
Okay.
And the friendship of Lord Krishna and Sudama is a milestone for all of us.
Yes, yes, yes. We can say Sudama and Krishna. It is a no true friendship. We can say this is a famous song. There is a famous song which is always available. अरे द्वार वालों कन्हैयास कह दो सुदामा करीब आ गया है. ठीक है. सुनते ही दौड़े चले आए मोहन लगाया गले से हैं. और सुदामा के मतलब फटे हुए कपड़े देखते हुए मतलब हालत खस्ता थी लेकिन फिर भी गले से लगाया सबके सामने. तो वही कह सकते हैं कि मतलब कि अ ट्रू फ्रेंड ऑलवेज हेल्प अस. ओके, वेदर दे फ्रेंडशिप डज नॉट understand rich and poorness, and they always help us. That is called a true friendship. Okay, most of the time people make friend after seeing the money, after seeing the background of the candidate. They see that he has a car, so I should make him friend. Okay, most of the time that is not a true friendship. A true friendship should be by heart, not by the money. Okay.
We can share our secrets and happiness and even sadness with a true friend.
Friends is that person who understand you then more you.
A best friend brings happiness in our life, and our journey of life becomes memorable because of friend.
Friendship has never bounded by people's financial status, sir. A poor beggar is also can be a good friend of a king, and also a poor labor can be a good friend of a rich industrialist.
Yes, you are right, because people, those believe in friendship, they never see the status of the person. Okay, and there is no boundary of money, there is no boundary of casteism, there is no boundary of anything. Matlab, friendship mean life ending contact. Till the end of life, we are in the touch of the person who is our best friend. That is called friendship. Okay, so now speak something. Do you have any thought?
No.
Friends is those who understand you, and yes, friends are those who understand you and enjoy with you, sad with you, and anything.
One study even suggests that spending time with your positive friend that can change your mind and makes you fresh and happy.
A true friend is the only relation which we earn in our whole life, sir.
So guys, you people are speaking really very nice. I want to give a feedback to all of you. Okay, keep doing practice like this. Okay, keep right now you maybe having some thoughts in your mind, and you are explaining these thoughts, and these thoughts are coming automatically because you have a pressure to speak. So first of all, you need to create this pressure on your own. Matlab, what happens when we are at our home, so there is no any pressure okay, to speak. We are fully enjoy our day. But right now you are sitting here, you are sitting in front of me, and you are speaking in front of camera, so you may be having some pressure, and that is why this result is coming out. You are speaking a little bit because of this pressure. So try to make this pressure at your home. Okay, like this. So you will have some thoughts in your mind, and you will convert these thoughts in your speaking. Okay, so may I give you tomorrow's topic? So tomorrow topic I want to give you what is good. Okay, private job and government job. Actually, now are the days you understand that in Uttar Pradesh we are facing the problem of unemployment. Why it is so? Why it is so? According to me, I think so that it is because of government sector. Many students, they are brilliant, they are intelligent, but they don't want to go in private sector. They think that this is a small industry, private sector. There is no facilities. They think like this. They try to involve. They try to prepare themselves for government sector, and what happens? They do not get selection. I am not saying that you do not do the practice. You do not apply for government sector, but I want to say that there should be a backup of your career. Most of the time we do not have any backup, so we comes in problem when we are staying at our home. So we take I want to give an example of electricity, that we always take a connection of electricity. If you have a electricity connection, then you are not a poor person, you are a rich person, and you are having a luxury life if you are having a electricity connection at your home. Okay, if you have a electricity connection, but it means you need a luxury life. Electricity connection means a luxury life. Okay, when you have electricity connection, in spite of that you purchase inverter. Why you purchase inverter? When electricity is not working, electricity is not coming, you use inverter. You have a backup, but we do not have a backup of our career. So what happens? We falls into unemployment. We comes in the lane of unemployment. So why should not we prepare ourselves for private sector? In this sector we need a good communication skill, we need some technical knowledge, we need computer knowledge. Then we can have a job in private sector. But we do not want to enhance our knowledge, we do not want to uh, develop our skills. So that is why we are jobless in private sector also. So according to me, what is the best sector to join? Government sector, private sector, and where we can get success? According to me, we can get success in private sector, because there is a chance to get a job, 100% chance for getting selection, 100% chance. But in government sector, it is, you can say 100%, and you can say 0%. Okay, 100% or 0%. And in that sector, in private sector, you have a chance to get a selection in a private sector 100%. Maybe you have to compromise with your salary, with your income, but you will get a job, you will get a startup of your career in private sector. So tomorrow's topic will be government sector or private sector. You both have to prepare about government sector and private sector some points, and think so that this is not tough to prepare about it. So can you prepare this topic? Yes, sir. So thank you for speaking about this topic. Goodbye everyone, take care.